What happens when an all-female team installs a luxury epoxy floor? First, the concrete floor is prepared. Grinding removes the old surface. Dust is cleaned away to create the perfect base. Now the transformation begins. Metallic epoxy resin is poured onto the floor. Silver liquid spreads smoothly across the surface. Then gold pigments are added by hand. The colors swirl together like liquid marble. As the epoxy levels itself, the floor becomes a mirror-like masterpiece. What started as raw concrete is now a luxury interior feature, elegant, durable, and completely handcrafted.